Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect mimosa cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this beautiful champagne cocktail. So let's go and jump in. Take a champagne flute glass of about 6 ounces or 180 milliliters. And extract fresh orange juice for this beautiful classic cocktail. Fresh orange juice gives an extra freshness and taste to this cocktail, so always try to use a fresh one for better results. It is interesting to know that this classic cocktail is named after the beautiful yellow flower of the mimosa. Now pour a quarter ounce or 7.5 milliliters of Cointreau to enhance the taste of this cocktail. And if you don't have Cointreau, simply avoid it. After Cointreau, slowly pour about 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of chilled champagne. Perfect. Now top up the glass with fresh orange juice. Don't forget to refrigerate oranges for at least 2 hours before using. Or simply use chilled orange juice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. I will be happy if you make this mimosa cocktail at your next party, and share your experience with me. Awesome! The mimosa cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a fresh orange slice. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.